Oh yeah, real quick, if you're watching this video, hit that subscribe button. You clicked on the video, just hit the subscribe button. It's nothing to it. It's not gonna hurt you, it'll help me. Everybody wins. What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all deserve some love. Today, I wanted to shoot this very quick video for you. I have a product from COZOO. COZOO? I think it's COZOO.
What you want to talk about? Huh? What you want to talk about?
It is a headphone stand, and I got this on Amazon for about $35. My desk situation right now is pretty cluttered, so I was looking for a headphone stand so I didn't have to hang my headphones off the end of my desk because I just don't have any real estate on my desk until I buy a new desk. So I was online and I found this product. The reason why I bought this product, oh, you know what? Let me just open this up and get into it, and then I will explain to you everything in full detail.
Where do you think you're going, huh? Home. Got something to show you.
So inside the box, we have the headphone saddle, the headphone stand, the base, and here is the pole that extends from the base to the headphone saddle. And that's about it. So putting this together is pretty simple. Take the stand, put it on the base, attach the saddle to the top. The reason why I bought this headphone stand is because it comes with 3 USB ports in the front, which you can charge 3 different items at the same time. And the power cord ensures that it will deliver the correct current to your device so that your item will be charged up as quick as possible. And you also have an on and off button which powers all the ports on here so that you can cut the power off if you're not using it. There's other headphone stands that you can look at online, YouTube, Amazon, whatever. They have just the USB ports, or some even have wireless charging built into them. But I already have a wireless charger on my desk, so I didn't find the need to have a wireless charger in my headphone stand because I like the one that I already have. Also, the added bonus for me were these 2 AC outlets because I plan on plugging up other things into these AC outlets, which enables me to get rid of some clutter and free up some space on my surge protector that's sitting behind my desk. Here are a couple of headphones that I use on a daily basis. I got my Anchor neckband headphones, which I use when I commute back and forth to work. And I also made a video about this with the YouTube card right here. And I have the Sennheiser HD 280 Pros. They're not expensive. They were about $100. Probably make a video on this. These are what I use when I edit my videos. Nothing much to them, but so how I would set this up on my desktop. Oh yeah, and real quick. So what I normally do right now is have these headphones sitting off my desk like that. I mean, they're out of the way, but it still doesn't get rid of the fact that I wanted to be able to charge these at the same time and utilize these AC adapters on the back. On a daily basis, I would just set my headphones on it like this. I would still have this cord hanging off the edge of my desk with the end plugged into my Focusrite USB interface. But when I want to charge my Anchor headphones, I would set these on here just like that. As you can see, I will plug my USB cable in the front. So every day when I come home, I'll set these on here. This is how I would have my desk set up. I would have my Anchor headphones on here at the same time as my Sennheiser headphones, something like this. And so it gets rid of me hanging these off the side, and I will still be charging my neckband headphones. So like any product, there are pros and cons.
And you know this, man.
And for me, what I have liked to see coming straight out of the box, if one of these USB ports in the front were USB Type-C, that would have been nice. That would have jacked the price up a little bit more. I understand that, but I think I will be willing to pay the extra amount that it would cost to make one of these ports in the front USB Type-C. And also, if I put the traditional headphones on here, there are other headphone stands out there that the pole is more towards the back and not straight down the middle. and so that the headphones don't actually rest on the pole. I don't know if you can see that. What I do like about this is that it does come with the 3 USB ports in the front. It does come with the 2 AC outlets on the back, which saves space. It has an on and off button, so if you're not charging any headphones at the time, you can cut it off. I really like that, and it just gets rid of so much clutter on my desk. I do highly recommend this product. This is pretty straightforward. There's not too much to it. So yeah, this item is on Amazon right now for $35.
On my sales slogan, you want it, I got it. If I ain't got them, to get it. So get it while the getting's good.
There's also another version. It comes with an orange piece up here, and then I think the USB outlets have orange inside of them. And that's about it, people. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel and checking out this video. Please feel free again to subscribe, like, comment. My name is Nicholas, and this is Tech Love TV. Peace.